Uh, Today they were analyzing the market. I'm trading the futures, mini futures. I Time right now is 10:02. I'm delayed by 1 hour. So the market opened low. It went into resistance. So I was waiting for it to break out or go down. So the first setup is like this. This one made broke out, pulled back, so it made a higher high, higher low. On the 1 minute is also higher high, higher low. I'm waiting for this 10-second bar to have a higher high to enter. So so right now I'm waiting for it to go higher. I'm waiting for the candle. Now here I have to enter. Now I've entered the trade with a cut loss of around 34.25, around $8 loss. Now it went down, so I lost one trade. The next trade will be this. Oh, so the next trade will be. So I decided that was go still if this goes up some more, then I'll enter again at this price 35.75. I entered the trade right now, the second time, with a target here of 42. So still waiting. So I tried to target at 40 in the middle. So let's wait for it. So I put the stop loss at 33.25. So waiting for it to go up. The volume hasn't pushed in yet. Waiting for it to push in. That's a problem with entering on consolidation. There's no volume. It just goes sideways. You don't know, but I know we have a target around here minimum because of the posting. Right now it's just going sideways, doesn't want to go. There's no volume coming in. Looking at this time and sales, so let's see. Should get a target here. Enter 34.75. Now I'm trying to decide if it's going to take this profit and cancel this one. It's taking a long time now. Target right now minimum is here, 8. Try to remove the order. Volume is not coming in yet. Oh, I got hit here. Then I accidentally shorted one, so I had to recover that one, which it did. So that was a blunder. So I made $8 and $1 for that trade. So right now it brings me to around break-even trade. Then the next trade will be around here. The next trade will be here. So what's happening here? So we still have a higher high, higher low on the uptrend, still on an uptrend. This one is The 1 minute is in a downtrend, so I'm trying to go short here, just below this one. I try to go short just below and see if it doesn't want to go, it won't go. I think this one didn't trade out, it just went up. I think, it triggered. So once I set a target here for such big volume, but I have to protect my downside around $8. Then here I decided to increase the stop loss, and it, I think, triggered. No, not yet. Yep, I decided to sell, so I lost $11 for this trade. I was looking for the reversal here, but didn't push through. I guess the higher time frame is still stronger. So we go to the next trade, and then it went down here. So right now, still now on the higher time frame, we have a lower low, lower high on the candles. The 1 minute is also lower low, lower high. So I'm waiting for this one to pull back and then resume its trend. So let's see. So decided to short first because it's not going up anymore. Then shorted some more, it's still going down. And now setting out a target here, but oh, I tried to short some more but couldn't short some more. But so I have 4 positions. Now it's waiting for it to profit take. First one, second one, third one. I still have 2 more. Now I have 1 more left. Anything below the high, I will cut out. Now everything is out, so I made around $20 for this trade. This is it was a good trade. This was a good trade because this one is going up again, so wait for it to pull back again, but it pulled back, but I wasn't able to enter the trade. Then my next trade will be the next setup. The next setup will be here, I think around here. I trade this here. No, I didn't trade that one, so I just waited and waited. Here's the next trade. So the next trade is, let's see. So the next trade, here on the next trade, I'm at support right now, and then there's a double bottom. So I have a higher, on the 1 minute chart, I have a higher high, higher low. So I'm trying to go long. Every time there's a higher, let's see. So here I'm expecting to have a higher high, higher low. So I'm entering here. So I entered. Once I entered, it reversed on me, but I have a cut loss of $8. let's see with the target here above here, and yep, it went down on me, and then I cut my loss here. I have to cut my loss. This is a losing trade. I lost $8. So on the next trade, oh, so here is the next trade. The next trade, I was thinking of the high time frame still on the lower high, lower low, and then here I'm waiting for a lower low to go in this trade, waiting for to short here. So as soon as it went lower low, I shorted it. This one I shorted it here, and then see if the volume is going down, if the price is moving down fast enough. So right now, so as soon as I see a big volume, I try to short one more time. I'm seeing some volume coming in from here. I still shorted another lot. Okay, now I I took profit here. I still have one more. I made around $18 from that trade. Just waiting for it to go down some more. If it doesn't go down, then I stop out here. So I made around $20 also here on this trade. So next trade will be yet still go down, so I have to wait for another setup. I couldn't find another setup. No. Wait, I think that the next trade will be this one. And I wasn't able to trade this one. This one is a support. This went up on the support. Then this one was on my last trade. It's getting late already. This trade is so fast. Here I have a higher high, higher low on the 5-minute chart, and then on the 1-minute chart it's still lower low, lower high, so I'm expecting to break the high for this one. I'm going long. My bias is long because 5 minutes is bias is long. As soon as break this one, I'll enter the trade. So let's see if it goes down, and then I'm seeing I tried to enter, it didn't break yet. I was anticipating. I went short. Then I I went short for this one, but it didn't go down immediately. So I think I made a wrong move here. And then that's the end. So today I made $27 only. That's it.